Okay, I'm going to show you how to avoid one of the most common mistakes in all of drawing. No matter who I've taught, no matter where I've been, this is the very first thing that everybody gets wrong, and I kind of wanted to talk to you about it. So let's get into it, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this, and this is Link. Link looks completely normal. We have our green Link right here with a hat, as you can tell, right? He's got his fun little green hat. Okay, so what does this diagram mean, right? I'm going to show you in a minute. It's going to make sense. We're going to go down here first to the red link, right? And what you should not do. So right here with our red link, basically. So when everybody starts drawing the eyeball, and I mean every artist in the very beginning, one of the most common things is this kind of eyeball that is facing the viewers, facing us, even though he's in profile. This, I think, started out, there's a couple of reasons why this happens, okay? So if you see this right here, right? The reason this happens is because we're so used to looking at people when you talk to them face to face, right? We're so used to that. So you don't really have it in your mind's eye usually what they look like when they turn a certain direction. So we're going to represent that right here with an eye, right? Kind of like a hieroglyphic or something like that, Egyptian stuff. We're going to represent that and cross that out. We don't want the eye looking straight at us when he's facing profile, when he's aside of us. The proper way is up here. This is the proper way. It has this shape more. So it's more like, imagine this as like PacMan right here, right? Right? Imagine that as PacMan. You have the ball, right, of the eye in there. So if you look at him in general, right, so the ball is going to be like over here, you know, like that. What's happening is the white of the eye is just an exposed portion of the ball of the eye. So facing that direction, right, that direction over here, it's going to look more like this. It's going to look more like a cutout, like a slice of pizza. That's literally what it's going to look like, you know, in a simplified form. That's proper, and that is almost always going to be the case. So it's something you have to, you know, kind of remember and like take that into account. So just kind of keep that in mind. A lot of this right here, this is an easy one because all you have to do is remember that fact. That is it.